What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video over this lace wig right here. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So first I'm gonna go into where I got the wig. The company Armmu was nice enough to send me this wig. It is sold on Amazon. So this wig is the 24 inches long blonde lace front wig. It is 100% synthetic and it is a water wave unit. So it is 180% density. It is heat resistant up to 320 degrees. It's soft lace, which is brown, and it comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap for those who use them. So here it is in the package. It just says Armmu on the outside and it has the style at the bottom. It also comes with a weaving cap and a pamphlet that just gives you directions on how to maintain your wig. Here is the unit fresh out of the package. It has some netting around it to protect it. And here is the unit fresh out of the package without the netting on it. So even though the website showed the pictures of the inside, I am still going to show you the cap construction. Like it said, it has the 3 combs with the adjustable strap at the bottom. So as you see, it doesn't have a lot of lace, so this is not a wig that you are going to have the option to part. So here is me just putting on the wig. I already cut the lace off, the little bit lace that it comes with. I would say it comes with 1 inch of lace and that is it. And you will see that as I begin to style it. So I was nervous about not having too much lace to work with. I'm like, oh shoot, let me see if I can do this. But I think I pulled it off well. So let's get into what I actually did. So I decided that since I couldn't have a part, I am going to do a lot of baby hair. So here I am just pulling out all the baby hair that I am going to cut. So now that I got all the baby hair I am putting my hair back in a ponytail and I am going to cut it. I'm using a razor, but as you notice, I cut that baby hair way too short. I'm going to have to pull out some more to fix that. So I'm taking the Got2b gel and I am going to gel down the baby hairs I created. Each time I have to pull out a little bit more because I cut the original too short. So now I'm done with all the baby hair. As you see, it is a lot. That is just how I wanted to wear it. So I am putting some mousse in it. I know this is some synthetic hair, but you can still use mousse. So I decided to go in and literally pull out a little bit of the hair in the front to thin it out to make it look a little bit more natural. When I got done, I felt like I could have done a lot more, but I was being lazy. But I still like how it came out. So the last thing I am doing, and I am done, I am taking some powder foundation and going in different parts of the lace to make it look more skin-like. I should have used liquid foundation, but I used powder. But that's okay. Next time I know And that is it. I love how it came out. So, you know, a look isn't quite complete until you go on Snapchat and use some of their filters and see how you're looking. But yeah, that is it, guys. I want to thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.
Whoa. Yeah. Hey, yo, Tim, man, it's the jump off right here, man.